Another electric car goes up in flames in Thailand on Sunday night. Sparks and a loud blast, then fire. This is July the 7th, 2026, and it's by James Morris. Witnesses reported hearing 2 explosions before an electric car caught fire outside a family home, as police, forensic specialists and firefighters investigate the latest in a series of EV blazes. An electric car erupted into flames after witnesses reported hearing 2 powerful explosions outside a Samut Prakan home late on Sunday, destroying the vehicle, damaging the property and triggering a major emergency response involving more than 5 fire engines, with the owner insisting the car had operated faultlessly for more than 6 years. It would be interesting to know when the last time was he had the battery checked. Police have called in forensic investigators to determine what caused the dramatic blaze. Khon Kaen is obviously on his way to Thailand as we speak. The second electric vehicle fire within days has intensified scrutiny of the technology and the circumstances behind both incidents. Another electric car goes up in flames, this time in Samut Prakan on Sunday night. Quick one, this bit isn't sponsored, but it is my personal recommendation. I use the high-low band for blood pressure tracking, and it's honestly been a godsend for me. Super easy to use, and I get a much more realistic picture than a one-off reading at the doctor. If you use my link, you get 20% off plus a 12-month subscription, and I get £25 if your referral is successful. So thanks if you do. The link's in the description. On with the video. Witnesses described hearing loud blasts before seeing sparks shoot from the parked car. Within minutes, firefighters were battling an intense blaze threatening the front of the property. Police have since launched an investigation, while forensic specialists will determine exactly what triggered the fire. The alarm was raised at 11:30 on July the 5th. The investigating officer received the emergency report of an electric vehicle on fire in Soisuk Sawat. In response, he coordinated with the municipal fire department and volunteer rescuers before heading to the scene himself. Firefighters battle fierce blaze as burning electric car threatens home before crews finally gain control. The fire broke out outside a 4-storey commercial building at house number 101, Move 13. Fire crews found a red electric car with Bangkok licence plates parked outside the building. However, the front of the vehicle was already engulfed in flames. Thick fire spread towards the awning, raising fears it would reach the building itself. More than 5 fire engines responded to the emergency. Firefighters attacked the blaze with water immediately after arriving. Despite the rapid response, the flames burned fiercely for about 30 minutes before crews gained control. Fortunately, nobody was injured or killed. Even so, the electric vehicle was completely destroyed. The awning also suffered heavy damage, while household furnishings inside the property were affected. After the fire was extinguished, officers secured the area and documented the destruction. Police photographed the vehicle, examined the damaged property and recorded the scene. As part of this, forensic investigators were called to collect evidence. Their findings will be used to establish the exact cause of the blaze. The owner, who requested anonymity, said he had bought the electric car brand new. He said he had owned it for more than 6 years without any problems. Everything had appeared normal that evening. Then he suddenly heard people shouting fire. He ran downstairs immediately, but found the vehicle already engulfed in flames. There was no opportunity to stop the fire, and neither should he have tried. Notably, nearby residents also described hearing an explosion before seeing the fire. He said sparks appeared first. Moments later, flames spread across the vehicle. He immediately called for help. About 10 minutes later, he received a call confirming fire engines were on their way. He estimated 5 or 6 people were inside the house when the fire erupted. They were warned quickly and evacuated safely before the flames spread further. Separately, a security guard was working across the street when the incident unfolded. He recalled hearing 2 loud explosions in quick succession. After that, he saw sparks, followed almost instantly by flames. He ran across the road to investigate and began recording video of the fire. He also grabbed a portable fire extinguisher and tried to stop the blaze. However, the flames were already too intense. His extinguisher proved ineffective. He now needs to go and get himself checked out in hospital because the flames and the gases that come off an EV fire are very toxic and can do a lot of damage to your lungs. Meanwhile, 3 or 4 other residents rushed outside after hearing the explosions. They helped contact the police and firefighters while watching the blaze intensify. Mr. Pinnett said the electric vehicle was parked in the same place every day. However, he had never spoken with the owner. He nevertheless confirmed there was a sudden explosion before the fire became visible. On another front, the Deputy Mayor confirmed municipal disaster relief officials responded immediately after receiving the emergency call. Another EV car fire erupted in the northern province as 3 homes went up in flames nearby. EV bosses fear as the cars come under spotlight with 2 fires in as many days, and these are sparking inquiries. Firefighters arrived with a fire engine and specialist equipment before directing a water hose onto the burning vehicle. Eventually, they prevented the flames from spreading beyond the immediate area. However, the electric car could not be saved. Mr. Barrie said the fire also damaged the property's electrical system. In addition, a transformer exploded during the incident. Electric wiring around the owner's home was also damaged. Despite the scale of the destruction, nobody suffered injuries. Police haven't identified the cause of the fire. Instead, forensic investigators will conduct a detailed examination of the wreckage and surrounding property. Evidence gathered at the scene will now be analysed. Only after that process is complete will investigators determine what caused the explosions and the devastating late-night fire. Khon Kaen police probing a pre-dawn blaze caused by a charging EV that burned down a family home. Then we've got Volvo withdraws one of its EV models in a disastrous week for the firm in Thailand with exploding cars. Government sends strong warnings to EV industry after a dramatic surge in consumer complaints. Taksin wants higher excise duties on EV cars that are simply assembled in Thailand by Chinese firms. Chinese EV industry in Thailand faces a crisis. It's demanding an urgent hearing from the government. EV sector crisis as Chinese firms are trapped between lack of demand and government tax penalties. Thailand changes tack as EV revolution turns into damp squib with warehouses full of unsold cars. Top Thai insurer says no more new policies for EV cars. Later, it's emphasised renewals would be done on a case-by-case basis. It's certainly not looking good in Thailand for electric vehicles. Everybody keeps saying, yeah, but that's in Thailand, it's not here. It'll be here soon enough. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.